Welcome. In this video we'll learn to add an external PDF document into a LaTeX document. This can be very useful when formatting of some contents doesn't matter much. For example, supporting information or appendices. You may have created such files using MS Word and you want to plug in your LaTeX document. Here I have one sample of LaTeX document. I'll open this. This is sample of synopsis report created using LaTeX. Main file, PDF, big file, some images which have been used in LaTeX document. In this document I want to add one more PDF file. Appendix part I have created using MS Word, and that content I want to add at this place. And also each section of appendix I want to add in a table of contents. In this folder I have source file in Word format which I want to add in my LaTeX document, and this is the generated PDF from this file. Before adding, I would suggest for some settings, make sure that you are using a A4 size paper. You can choose the size. This is A4. Second important setting is margins. You can just check what margins you are using in your LaTeX document, and same margins you can keep in your Word format. Then font size and line spacing. I have used the same font size as I have used in LaTeX document, and line spacing is 1.5. In LaTeX document I have used the Times font, and this is the similar font, not exact but similar, Times New Roman. And in the last but not least, you should not use page numbering in your Word format. You may have to change in your LaTeX document. I'll copy this file and I'll put in the same working folder. Now open this main text file. Just load a PDF pages package in the Primble for adding an external PDF document. Then just go to the place where you want to print your external document. Just use include PDF command. Then file name. Just mention the pages which you want to print. For all pages we can provide a range. There are 3 pages, so I want to print from page 1 to page 3. Then just write 1-3. If you want to print your first and third pages, then you can write in curly bracket separated by comma. Then compile your file. This is our external PDF document. All 3 pages are coming. After this page, you can notice that page numbers are not coming. We can write another option, page command. In curly bracket we can set the page style. Now numbers are coming. Now I want to add section and subsection titles in table of contents. For this we can use add to talk option. There are 5 arguments for this option. First one page number, second one section, third one section label, fourth one title, and the last one label. Section label for section is 1, for subsection it is 2, and for subsection it will be 3. I'll write at this place. First we need to mention page number of the section title. This is first page. We have to see the actual page number of the PDF. So in actual PDF file it is 1. Just write 1. Then section type. This is section. Section label. For section it is 1. Title. This we need to write. or any other name you can write which you want to print in your table of contents. And the last one is label. This is similar what we write with the \label command, okay, for cross referencing. But here we don't need to write command, we can just write the label key. Then we'll write for subsection, page number is same, 1, section, this is subsection. For subsection label is 2, title, and the label, this is also subsection, page is same, this heading, this is section, page number 2. In actual PDF we have to see the page number. For section label is 1, title, this we need to write, just check your table of contents, appendices are coming, okay. I want to print my appendices after references. This we can use for cross referencing. For example, I want to refer this one at this place. Similarly, you can refer others. Links are working fine, and also we need to check a bookmark. We can delete this, and directly this file we can add. Just copy the folder name, okay. Alright, so in this way you can add any external PDF document into your LaTeX document. That's all. Thanks for watching.